Juicy chicken with crispy skin, a sauce like your favorite teriyaki spot. Cancel your trip to Seattle. Today, we're making chicken teriyaki, a Seattle staple. In my mind, there's two ways to make it: charred quickly on a hot grill or rendered slowly with crispy skin. Today, we're going with the latter. Okay, so we're starting with boneless chicken thighs with the skin on. If you can only find ones with the bone in, check out my oyakodon video to learn how to take the bone out. I'll put a link below. I'm using my knife to gently put a cut in any high points. This will help it flatten out and cook more evenly in the pan. Then I'm gonna salt them. If you're going for the charred over the grill method, I'd marinate them with some of the teriyaki, salt, and some oil. I'm gonna let these hang out uncovered in the fridge while we make our sauce. This is a quick, balanced, restaurant-style teriyaki sauce, which starts with 4 tablespoons of sake. You can also use water or broth here instead. 6 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, which is a sweet Japanese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and about a tablespoon of honey. Then we're gonna peel a small piece of ginger, and smash a clove of garlic. Throw them in the pot, and we're gonna go in with a tiny squeeze of orange. Get this on a medium heat, and make sure to stir it well so the sugars don't burn on the bottom. We just want to bring everything together, because this isn't the kind of sauce you want to cook down for hours. It can become too concentrated, overly salty, and too sweet. We're going for nice fresh flavors here. Once it comes up to a simmer, go in with about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed into 2 tablespoons of water. This is going to help it thicken up just the right amount, though you can experiment a bit here. It's ready when you can lightly coat the spoon. Let it cool down a bit, toss the aromatics, and store it in a squeeze bottle for easy application. It also reminds me of the bottles on the tables at my favorite teriyaki spot. Back to our chicken. Like I mentioned, we're going somewhat low and slow here. On a medium heat, I'm lightly coating a pan with some avocado oil to prevent sticking. Then, go in skin side down with our chicken thighs. I'm gonna weigh them down with a heavier pan and some foil in between for protection. After 6 minutes, I'm gonna check on it and blot any extra fat that might splatter all over the kitchen. Once you got a nice golden color, flip them over, and it'll probably only need 1 more minute on the other side. Once they hit about 175, you're good to go. This slightly higher temperature paired with the slow cook method is great for chicken thighs, which have more connective tissue and fat. This helps us get a nice juicy interior without any tough parts. You hear that crisp? I slice them skin side down, which helps keep the skin intact. Serve this over a bed of hot sushi rice. If you want to learn how to make this, check out my poke video. I'll leave the link down below. Then we're going to go on with a layer of our juicy and crispy chicken, and some baby bok choy, which I cooked in the same pan with the chicken fat, and a little salt and some water with the lid on for about 3 minutes. And finally, going on with our sauce. Don't be shy here. Finish it off with some toasted sesame seeds. And there it is. This is gonna ruin 90% of chicken teriyaki for you. You've been warned. All right, let's see how we did. Oh yeah. All right, we did it. I'll see you guys later.